and the motor driver. I'll stick it into the car on top. And what I've done is I've taken this double-sided tape. I pasted this here. I felt this is very convenient because it won't harm it, and we can take this thing out also, and it will not harm this board, and we can place it here. So this is very convenient. It doesn't leave out any traces either on the board or the Arduino chipset.
Yeah, we've done really long Arduino. This tape is very sticky. Again, from here to here.
Now we're going to solder this.
So they have given us a separate part of this, so just took a cutting plier and like jabbed it, and no, they
Took
were
out the
fluing.
pieces?
Yeah,
Too
they
much.
were fluing, so we didn't have the box and just stayed in place. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna solder these.
What is that? That's why we need to do this.
Yeah, so we're gonna put the shorter one inside. Yeah, I think it's here. Yeah, that's right. Something little small dollops.
Okay.
Yeah.
Make sure.
Doesn't mix or anything, does anything. Wait.
You're wearing here, Kushi.
Yeah.
Careful.
Papa, the solder is not coming out this way.
It will not come out, don't worry. Just do it, no worries. It's fine.
So just more.
You do it at the bottom, huh?
Okay.
What happened?
Alright, come. Oh, shut up.
It's heating up.
Okay. Hold on. I think it's stuck in its place. Oh, no, it came out. That's all. Oh, no, it's not soldered. Oh, no, it's soldered.
Soldered?
Yeah.
Good.
Your turn.